In order to read the meniscus of a pipette, one must hold the pipette at eye level and locate the amount of substance by finding the lowest point on the curve of the top of the substance. After finding this point, one must estimate the ghost decimal, which in this case is to the 100th place. Here I am reading off my initial volume as 9.2 milliliters. After that, I read off the final volume as 6.99 milliliters. By subtracting the initial and final volumes, we come up with 2.73 milliliters total volume.
Here, the initial volume was 6.21 milliliters. The final volume was 8.21 milliliters. The calculated delivered volume was 2 milliliters. Here, the initial volume was 6.38 milliliters. The final volume was 9.07 milliliters. The delivered volume was 2.69 milliliters.
For the initial volume, I read that it was 8.81 milliliters. For the final volume, I read that it was 9.23 milliliters. For the ending volume on trial 2, we subtracted the initial volume from the final volume, so 9.23 minus 8.81, and ended up with 0.42 milliliters for the ending volume.